These three individuals are still very young, but the greed for money can blind anyone, and it blinded them too. They thought about breaking into the house through a window and damaged its sides to make it easier to enter. When they got inside, they became very excited, but that wasn't a good thing. Every action has its consequences. Is the person inside the car someone they know or a stranger? She just wanted to take her dog out to the yard, and as soon as she stepped out the door, she saw her neighbor's huge dog suddenly attack her dog. Terrified, she immediately rushed back inside and later spoke with the dog's owner, telling them to be more careful and responsible.
Are they yours?
No! I just seen you grab your little dog. I come to help you.
I about didn't hit her.
Oh, God. Okay. I don't know whose dog they are, but
I think they live behind us, actually. They've been out before.
Oh, my gosh. Okay.
They dug under our fence and was in our backyard at one time this summer. Last
Dog
summer.
in for me.
Oh, yeah. But thank you.
He steals the generator sitting in the garage, but while stealing it, he gets caught on camera. The police have already caught him. Was it really worth it? This guy had been watching the house for a while, and to steal the bike he had his eye on, he climbed the wall and jumped inside. Just as he was about to grab the bike, he heard the homeowner's warnings and immediately dropped it and ran away.
Hey, we're calling the cops. You better leave that bike alone. Get the out of my backyard, dude.
What's up? Sorry.
No, que pinche sorry, dude. Vete a la chingada, güey.
This young man seemed really angry at the guy living in the house, so he knocked over a bucket full of water. Still not satisfied, he also knocked over the trash can and walked away from the yard. But it looked like he still wasn't done. Be careful. This man, trying to break into a business, chose to use a gun to break the lock. After firing a shot, he tried to pry the door open with a crowbar, but the door was too strong. Realizing he couldn't get in, he decided to get in his car and drive away.
Let's go.
This thief knew the car doors were unlocked, and as he opened the door to take whatever was inside, he was startled by the homeowner's voice. The moment he heard the word police, he took off running.
What are you doing in the car? I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police.
This couple, afraid of the dogs, is checking outside with flashlights in their hands. But why are they out at this hour?
They got a dog.
This isn't bright enough.
Let me have it.
Here, I'm getting the other one.
Package theft like this, arriving in a luxury vehicle to steal a delivery, really makes me wonder why. This man came with a pickup truck and used a power cutter to open small trailers one by one, checking inside each. If he didn't like what he saw, he simply closed the door again. But in one trailer, something seemed to catch his attention, and he quickly tossed it into the back of his truck. He tried his luck to see if the door was unlocked, and even if he didn't end up doing anything, he should still face consequences. Someone like this shouldn't be wandering around outside. A massive fire has almost completely engulfed the house, and this man is trying to put it out with a fire extinguisher. Is there really no one around to help? Is no one concerned? Does no one have a fire extinguisher? Or at least water? He lifted and carried away the vehicle that was stopped to transport materials. Most delivery drivers do this, pretending to deliver it, which is really shameful. These two young guys seemed to be looking for some adventure. As one of them went to knock on the door, the other had already started running away. If you're that scared, why are you even doing this?
Get out! The cops are coming! You just broke our car, you mother...
The man had simply gone outside to take the trash out. How could he have known something like this would happen? Just as he was about to throw the trash into the bin, a raccoon suddenly jumped out, and the man was terrified, rushing back inside. This woman is knocking on the homeowner's door, but is she crazy, or was she just really angry with them? What do you think is her problem? These two young guys were climbing walls in search of adventure. As one climbed, the other waited below. Suddenly, when the homeowner appeared, the kid acted like he had no idea what was going on, quickly descended the stairs, and didn't mention anything. This woman just wanted to pick up the package in front of her door, but when she saw the bird fly, she got really scared and immediately went inside. Do you think the bird attacked her?
Go, boy, go. No, 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 no.
After taking a walk with her dog, this woman was about to go inside when suddenly her dog didn't want to go in. But as she called the dog, just as it was about to enter, a large dog came from behind and attacked her dog. The woman screamed in horror. I hope nothing happened to the dog or anyone else. He was trying acrobatic moves, and for a moment, thinking he had succeeded, he got excited. But suddenly he found himself on the ground. It turns out he shouldn't have celebrated too soon. What could have happened to the driver? Could they be drunk, having a heart attack, or is it something else? Bears are very strange animals. Sometimes their behavior seems almost human. What animal do you find strange?